Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Yerra Rajeshwar and you are watching YR Pharma Tube. In this video, we will discuss about history of medicinal chemistry. This is the continuation from the earlier lecture, Introduction to Medicinal Chemistry. Let's begin. It is difficult to know where to start and when to stop in time when discussing the historical influence of medicinal agents upon drug discovery because even today medicinal agents that were identified as late as 1970s. Throughout the ages, humans have relied on nature to cater for their basic needs, not the least of which are medicines for the treatment of a wide spectrum of diseases. Plants have formed the basis of sophisticated traditional medicine systems with the earliest records dating from around 2900 to 2600 BC documenting the uses of approximately 1000 plant-derived substances in Mesopotamia, which is now known as Southwest Asia. Egyptian medicine dates from about 2900 BC, with the best known record being the Ebers Papyrus dating from 1500 BC, documenting over 850 drugs, mostly of plant origin, including opium, cannabis, linseed, aloe, and garlic. At around the same time, the Chinese Materia Medica was being extensively documented, with the first record dating from about 1100 BC containing 52 prescriptions. Likewise, documentation of the Indian Ayurvedic system dates from before 1000 BC, Charaka, Sushruta, and Samhitas with 341 and 516 drugs respectively. The Greeks and Romans contributed substantially to the rational development of the use of herbal drugs in the ancient Western world, with Hippocrates approximately 462 377 BC through Corpus Hippocraticum, which discovered the usage of mainly plant-based mixtures such as poppy, henbane, and mandrake, alongside jupiner and saffron. Dioscorides in 100 BC recorded the collection, storage, and uses of medicinal herbs, published a 5-volume De Materia Medica. Almost the same time, Galen during 130 to 200 CE wrote the prescription and formula used in compounding drugs in his book De Simplicibus of 473 drug molecules. During the Dark and Middle Ages, that is 5th to 12th centuries, the Arabs, covering southwest to Central Asia, preserved much of the Greco-Roman expertise and expanded it to include the use of their own resources together with the Chinese and Indian herbs unknown to the Greco-Roman world. However, pharmacy was still the empiric science, as shown by publication of the herbal The London Pharmacopoeia in 1618 and then in 1676 the book Observations Medica by Thomas Sydenham. This publication, Observations Medica, was used for about 2 centuries as a standard textbook and contained such observational remedies as the use of laudanum, that is opium in alcohol, quinquina, Jesuit bark preparations for malaria, and iron for iron deficiency anemias. The herbals of John Gerard in 1596, John Parkinson in 1640, and Nicholas Culpeper in 1649 provided the widespread use of herbs. Exploration in the 17th and 18th centuries led to the addition of a number of useful tropical plants to those of European origin. During early 19th century, information on medicinal plants began to be documented in herbals. The laboratory study of natural product drugs commenced approximately 200 years ago with the purification of morphine from opium poppy. It was only in 1817 Sir Turner reported the isolation of pure morphine. He prepared it by extracting opium with hot water and precipitating morphine with ammonia. This corresponds with the beginning of organic chemistry as a scientific discipline. During early 1800s, therapeutically important alkaloids have been isolated from the crude extracts of the plants. Morphine was discovered in 1805 and was obtained from the dried latex of Papaver somniferum from opium poppy plant. Quinine was discovered in the year 1823 and was obtained from the bark of the several cinchona species, and atropine was discovered in 1834 and it was isolated from Atropa belladonna. During the same time, that is 1980s, various general anesthetics such as diethyl ether in 1842, nitrous oxide in 1845 and chloroform in 1847 were introduced in surgery. Antiseptics such as iodine in 1839 and phenol in 1860 also made an important contribution to the success of surgery. The hypnotic activity of trichloroethanol was also reported during the same time, that is 1869. This figure shows the chronology of drug innovations from aspirin, that is a painkiller, which was discovered early 1900s, to the development of anti-cancer drugs during 1980s, and still research is continuing to develop the treatment of autoimmune diseases. This is the end of a history of medicinal chemistry. We meet again in our next lecture, that is on the development of medicinal chemistry, on Monday, that is 29th June 2020. Please like, share, subscribe to YR PharmaTube. You can send a mail to yrlecnotes@gmail.com for a detailed copy of this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.